How to replace the USB board. Before you begin, remove the SIM tray, base enclosure, wireless WAN module, and fan. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the motherboard. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the touchscreen cable from the connector on the motherboard. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the motherboard. Disconnect the left speaker cable from the connector on the motherboard. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the antenna ZIF connector and disconnect the antenna ribbon cable from the motherboard. Carefully slide the Kensington lock bracket out from between the top cover and motherboard and remove. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Lift the USB board off of the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the USB board.